Hello and welcome back to our series on creating cash cow videos on YouTube. In this video, we'll be discussing the top strategies for maximizing your YouTube earnings through your videos. If you're looking to make money on YouTube, then you need to know how to create videos that generate revenue. So let's get started. Strategy 1: Find a profitable niche. This means looking for a topic that has a large audience and is in high demand. You can use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, or TubeBuddy to research your niche and find popular keywords and topics. Strategy 2: Identify your target audience. Once you've found your niche, it's important to identify your target audience. You need to know who you're creating content for, what their interests are, and what kind of content they like to consume. This will help you create videos that resonate with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Strategy 3: Create engaging content. The next strategy is to create engaging content. This means creating videos that are informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. You can use different techniques like storytelling, humor, or visual effects to make your videos more engaging. Strategy 4: Optimize your video for SEO. Another important strategy is to optimize your video for SEO. This means using keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help your video rank higher in search results. You can also promote your video on social media and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Interact with your followers and respond to comments and messages to build a community around your content. Outsource tasks to freelancers to save time and improve video quality. Strategy 5: Monetize your videos. Finally, it's important to monetize your videos. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, including ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. You need to choose a monetization strategy that works best for your channel and your audience. And there you have it. Those are the top strategies for creating cash cow videos on YouTube. Remember, it's all about finding a profitable niche, identifying your target audience, creating engaging content, optimizing your video for SEO, and monetizing your videos. By following these strategies, you can create successful videos that generate revenue and grow your channel.